Hello everyone. Today I'll be covering the live demo portion, showcasing our multi-target recognition, the new AI feature. But before we begin, I would like to talk a little bit more about some other features that are introduced with this new product, the Blacklight V3. The first thing would be dual support backup. What that means is it's essentially zero downtime for your camera. Let's say, for example, you're doing a firmware upgrade, and in the rare case that that upgrade fails, rather than your camera going completely offline or corrupting the firmware, the system automatically backs up using its dual backup system, and it remains online while critical updates reboot. So this virtually eliminates any error that can be done with the camera and keeps your live video feed up and running as well as your recording. The second thing would be the brighter image. As you saw in the video previously, the new Blacklight V3 has a brighter nighttime image with its AI ISP technology. Additionally, with that, you can also do longer target detection. So unlike other cameras who have a typical target range for AI around 80 to 90 feet, the Blacklight V3 camera can detect targets up to 180 feet. This is a new feature specifically for our Blacklight cameras. And in addition to that, the three new AI features that are included with this are the multi-target type recognition and fire and smoke detection, as well as fall detection. So with all these three new features, you can configure them based on the type of project you're doing. You can pitch them to your customers, give them new solutions for something they may be looking for. So to jump into it for today's demo, the multi-target type recognition, as you can see here, I'll go ahead and enable it. And on the top portion here, we just have our basic settings, such as your pixel size, how big you want the target to be before it's detected, your bounding box, your result box. This will show you the name of the target whenever it is detected, and then your detection area. But the most important thing here is your target settings. So as you can see here on the left categories, we have pedestrian and vehicle. This covers your standard human, vehicle, car, motorcycle, bus, truck. But to get more specialized, we have things such as animals, everything from elephant to cow. So this can be used in vets, zoos. If you have a farm, all of these can be used to detect animals. We have public facilities such as traffic lights, fire hydrants, stop signs, parking meters, vehicle transportation. You can also monitor airplanes, trains, boats for those large commercial enterprise projects. You have sporting equipment, kitchen utensils, as well as your others, which has a wide variety of different objects such as laptops, cell phones, remotes, backpacks, handbags, scissors, many different items to choose from. So you can enable all of them if you wanted to. This will obviously detect all objects that are listed on the categories. For this demo, we'll just do pedestrian and vehicle as a quick demo. So all you need to do is select it, click enter, and then exit and save. So now multi-target is enabled. And now if we hop over to the live tab, as you can see, now any type of target that you selected in the category will be detected, and you can see here with the green bounding box. If any person comes by, they'll also see there. And once the targets are recognized, you can also have them pop up on the right side left panel here, or right panel, sorry, and it'll also come up with the name of the object. So that covers the multi-target recognition. And then one other thing that I would like to quickly mention for this Blacklight V3 would be our alarm blinkage. So here we have a webhook integration. So for those of you that use third-party services such as monitoring services, or you're integrated with other platforms, you can now include webhooks into the camera. So when an event is triggered, it sends a webhook to your platform or your third-party service provider and automatically activates an alert. That is one new feature that we offer with this camera specifically. And overall, there's tons of new offerings for the Blacklight V3 in terms of video quality, image processing, and new AI technology. And so that covers today's demo portion for the Blacklight V3.